No, we're not running over with the car.
It pierced the tires.
Because you're acting obnoxious right now.
It did that. It. That came from Ixnay.
Actually, the dress was when the lawn dressed you up. Oh, that part's funny. Did you want the birdcage back?
No.
Disgusting wretch.
I hate you. We put effort into a Christmas present for you, a nice Christmas present. Oh, let's see the picture. Good picture.
Oh no, it's not really dead yet.
You want to burn it? Yeah, you want to burn it.
Where did you get that picture anyway?
I'm amazing, what can I say?
No, what picture is it from?
I'll tell you later. This is the remnants of
Hey,
Ryan's...
keep the dress for when you have a baby.
No!
It's a preemie. It's preemie. Well, I didn't know you were having a girl.
It's ugly anyway.
It was either that or the cheetah one.
This is Ryan destroying our wonderful present.
You had to at least keep some semblance of memory from this. It was funny, Ryan. It was funny. You just don't know how to do practical jokes.
I never said it wasn't funny.
I want a practical joke from you for Christmas, Ryan. Okay? You can't do it. You cannot deliver.
Is it? Well, is this deleting pictures if I'm still recording?
No.
Oh, good. Oh, it'll just stop me when
Can you
I...
at least put the ribbon on?
No. I already had to take off my tree and my door. That was the most depressing. This.
Why don't you just eat it?
What does the red mean?
Red?